Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. If you're planning to start your website on WordPress, stop right there, because today we're breaking down 3 most important things you must know before we dive in. Choose the right hosting. First up, choose reliable hosting. WordPress runs smoothly only when your host is optimized for it. Go for options like SiteGround, Bluehost, or WP Engine. They handle performance insecurity, so you don't have to. Themes versus builders. Second, understand themes and page builders. Don't install multiple builders at once. It'll slow your site. Pick one flexible theme like Astra or GeoDirectory, and one builder like Elementor or Gutenberg. Plugins control. Number 3, don't overload with plugins. Plugins are powerful, but too many can break your site or hurt speed. Stick to essentials, SEO, backup, and security, and test every new one carefully. We also provide WordPress development support. So if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.